English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently?
Speak English.
Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Don't take it to heart.
Hey, Sally, you're not answering my calls. Are you mad at me?
Yeah, kind of. You promised to help me move last weekend, but you never showed up.
Oh no, I completely forgot. I'm so sorry.
It was really stressful doing everything alone.
You're right to be upset. But please don't take it to heart. I'll make it up to you.
How?
Let me take you out for pizza and I'll help with anything else you need this week.
Okay, that sounds fair. Just don't forget again.
I won't. Promise. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
Be mad at. To be angry with someone. Example, Lisa is mad at her friend because he forgot her birthday.
Don't be mad at her, okay?
Don't be mad at me.
Don't be mad at me. Be mad at the system.
Don't be mad at me.
Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me.
Don't be mad at me. Be mad at...
If you're gonna be mad at anyone, be mad at me.
You should be mad at yourself.
Show up. To arrive at a place. Example, Jake didn't show up for the meeting, so his boss was upset.
He never showed up.
He showed up.
Nobody showed up.
Until someone showed up.
You didn't show up.
He showed up.
Don't take it to heart. Don't be too sad or upset about something. Example, you made a small mistake, but don't take it to heart.
Don't take it to heart.
Well, don't take it to heart.
You don't really take them to heart.
I shouldn't take it to heart.
Make it up to. To do something nice for someone after hurting them. Example, Sam forgot our dinner, but he made it up to me by cooking a special meal.
Make it up to him, even if it's...
And to make it up to you,
I'd like to make it up to you.
I'll make it up to you.
I'll make it up to you.
I'll make it up to you.
I'm gonna make it up to you.
he's making it up to you.
Do to make it up to you, too.
I want to remind you something, guys. repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud. Hey, Sally, you're not answering my calls. Are you mad at me? Did Sally answer Alex's calls? No, she didn't. She didn't answer his calls.
Yeah, kind of. You promised to help me move last weekend, but you never showed up.
Was Sally mad at Alex? Yes, she was. She was mad at him. Why was Sally mad at Alex? Because he didn't help her move. Did Alex promise to help Sally move? Yes, he did. He promised to help her. Did Alex show up when Sally moved? No, he didn't. He never showed up. Oh no, I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. Did Alex help Sally move? No, he didn't. He didn't help her. Why didn't Alex help Sally move? Because he forgot. Who forgot about the promise? Alex. He forgot about the promise.
It was really stressful doing everything alone.
Who did Sally move with? Alone. She moved alone. Did Sally feel joyful when she moved alone? No, she didn't feel joyful when she moved alone. How did Sally feel when she moved alone? She felt stressed. You're right to be upset, but please don't take it to heart. I'll make it up to you. Did Alex say sorry to Sally? Yes, he did. He said sorry to her. Did Sally say Alex was right to be upset? No, she didn't. Alex said Sally was right to be upset. Did Alex want to make it up to Sally? Yes, he did. He wanted to make it up to her.
How?
Let me take you out for pizza and I'll help with anything else you need this week. What did Alex offer to Sally? Pizza and help. He offered to take her out for pizza and help her. Did Alex offer to buy chewing gum for Sally? No, he didn't offer to buy chewing gum. What kind of food did Alex offer to buy for Sally? Pizza. He offered to buy pizza.
Okay, that sounds fair. Just don't forget again.
Did Sally agree to Alex's offer? Yes, she did. She agreed. Did Sally ask Alex not to forget again? Yes, she did. She asked him not to forget again. I won't. Promise. Did Alex promise not to forget? Yes, he did. He promised not to forget. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin. Hey, Sally, you're not answering my calls. Are you mad at me? Oh no, I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. You're right to be upset. But please don't take it to heart. I'll make it up to you. Let me take you out for pizza and I'll help with anything else you need this week. I won't. Promise.
Yeah, kind of. You promised to help me move last weekend, but you never showed up. It was really stressful doing everything alone. How? Okay, that sounds fair. Just don't forget again.
Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys! Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.